Hello, my radiant souls. Today, let's celebrate the divine essence of our femininity through empowering affirmations. Embrace your inner goddess as we journey together towards embracing the beauty and strength that lies within. I am a radiant embodiment of feminine grace and strength. I recognize my femininity as a source of boundless creativity, compassion, and inner wisdom. I honor the sacred essence of my femininity. I embrace my nurturing energy, trusting its wisdom to guide me with intuition and resilience. My feminine energy is a source of infinite creativity. I allow my essence guide me towards balance and harmony in all aspects of my life. I embrace my feminine essence with love and acceptance. I honor the beauty of connecting deeply with others, extending a gentle hand of understanding. I celebrate the uniqueness of who I am. My femininity is a source of strength, wisdom, and beauty. I am confident and beautiful in my own authentic way. In my femininity, I find balance and harmony. I celebrate the softness and resilience within my feminine energy. I gracefully navigate challenges. I honor the gentle strength of my femininity. I find courage to express my true self. My intuition is a guiding force fueled by my divine feminine wisdom. I acknowledge the beauty in vulnerability. My authenticity and vulnerability foster a space for empathy to flourish. I allow my vulnerability to be a source of authenticity, creating space for compassion to flourish. I understand that my vulnerability is the gateway to profound empathy and authentic connection with others. I am confident in my femininity and the unique gifts it brings to the world. In embracing my femininity, I cultivate a sense of serenity and grace. I embrace the sensuality within my feminine energy. I I radiate love, compassion, and understanding. I embrace and embody my authentic feminine power. I recognize the beauty and strength in my ability to adapt and create. With each breath, I inhale my divine feminine energy. I allow my feminine energy, empower and inspire me to create a life filled with beauty, love, and compassion. I am a beacon of feminine grace. I cultivate a serene and powerful presence that positively influences the world around me. I radiate kindness, nurturing the connections I have with others and myself. The softness within my feminine energy is a strength that fosters resilience and compassion. I create and manifest with grace and intention. I trust the innate power of my feminine energy to manifest my deepest desires. My feminine energy is a force for healing and transformation. I embrace the profound strength that comes from empathy and vulnerability. My empathy creates bridges of understanding with the world. I am connected to the cycles of nature, embracing the flow of my feminine energy. The nurturing energy within me is a healing balm, offering comfort and love to those in need. I embrace the limitless possibilities my feminine energy brings to my life. I celebrate my femininity. As we conclude these affirmations, remember, your femininity is your power, your grace, and your unique essence. Embrace it fully, nurture it lovingly, and let it illuminate every step of your path.